soke yemerera umunanka yawe neza. Yes, so we arrive kandi turi Hoima ninga cyarushesha. Continuation ya movie.
Yo turi cyarushesha umuri Hoima. Kuri wa murebe witukurwa Dhabi, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Uganda, Cheta, Morocco, Tungamo na Rubari
kandi mwizi
uko wabadu mwizi ninga.
Mwizi
wa Julius Karuhanga.
Yes, respect honorable Karuhanga we bare kureba talent ukakwata. Of course Beyazinze yo muri Bunyoro ni kutandika gambo Runyoro rwonka
twine Bright AB
wazane y'amazima kandi hati obuya kwatagarana no musipanguru Beyazinze ati filme tukuza kureta ne yakabi. For the first time you will see me acting in a movie.
Mr. Life is also coming, by the way.
Is coming.
Skyland is there. Of Savage is there. Banana Boy. MD Firo. Mr. Road Sheshe
Road. So buri mwana no kuba no mufuna movie je tukuza kutandika imbere. Yes, episode 10. Season 1 yari abantu kushora episode 10.
High speed wari rode kuchikwata kandi Uganda yona.
So ati wari kwenda kuzara ugendo kambire nyuko.
Dear Musagare promoter the number 1 live on Kore Media Jabris. Hey, yo.